What's up, guys? John from McNeil.com here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make $300 per day online. That's right, guys. I have two strategies that I'm going to be teaching you today that's going to help you make $300 on a consistent basis, right? So before we jump into this video, if this is the first time you come to my channel, my name is John from McNeil.com, and on this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. I'm going to show you how to make $300 a day step by step. Let's get into this video right now. All right, guys, John from McNeil.com here, and the first strategy I'm going to be teaching you guys in terms of making $300 a day is basically you're just going to have to sell higher ticket products, right? So you're going to have to sell products that are not $10, that are not $7, that are not even $97, but you're going to need to be selling products that are $200, $300, $500 and above, right? So the best place to find these actual products is a website called JV Notify Pro. You actually just type that in, and you can go ahead and just scroll down to where you see the different launches. And I've kind of just opened up a couple of these products already for you. You can see this product here. All these products are mostly in the make money online affiliate marketing niche. And you can see, you know, $497 is in this. $497 is the cost of this product. In the internet marketing niche here. Here's one for $197. Here's one for $497. So basically, guys, what you want to do is you want to come over to JB Notify Pro and find some of these products that are in this range, in that $500 range, because typically you're going to make 50% or more in commissions on these type products. So a 50% commission on a $500 product is about $250. So what you want to do is just focus on making one of those sales per day. One or two sales, right? And typically if you make one sale, a lot of the time that person will probably take, you know, maybe one or two of the upsells. So you may end up actually making more than the $300. But a good rule of thumb is to just go ahead and just focus on trying to sell, you know, one of these higher ticket products on a consistent basis. Now, in order to sell something for $500 or $200, you can't just send traffic straight to these products. You have to kind of build up some trust and rapport. So that's what we're going to be talking about next. All right, guys, I'm back. So we're going to talk about just briefly here, just how to sell more expensive products. And those products may range from $200 to like $500, because the goal is to make $300, you know, a day. We're going to have to sell, you know, products in that range, right? So in order to sell some of those higher ticket products, we're going to have to set up, you know, what we call like a sales funnel, right? And typically what will happen is you're going to start off with some traffic here. So whether you're getting traffic from YouTube, your blog, Instagram, Facebook, whether you're doing solo ads, pay-per-click, you know, you're going to take that traffic and you're going to send it to what we call a squeeze page. And a squeeze page is just definitely a page that you're going to be able to collect the name and email address of the prospect that is going to be interested in the product that you're selling. So once you send traffic to the squeeze page, that person opts in. I suggest that you send them to what we call like a bridge page, which basically either, you know, starts to build more trust, you know, with that prospect. On this bridge page, you can actually kind of get more information about yourself and the product. And just kind of go ahead and start to build some rapport here. You can also, you know, give some content here that's going to also help educate and give value to the person that's coming through the funnel. So you send the traffic through the squeeze page. on this bridge page, you're going to do what? You're going to give value. You're going to build trust. You're going to get to know them. You're going to tell them a little bit about yourself, right? And then you're going to direct them from the bridge page to the product, right? So after you give them this video, you're gonna direct them to your product, right? And then, you know, again, if you're selling a $500 product, everyone's not just gonna buy on this first pitch. You probably have, you know, minimal people buy on this first pitch, and that's why you have to follow up via email in your autoresponder, right? So you could do like, you know, 4 or 5 different emails of just content. So you do email 1, you can do another video with some content, and then what do you do after the content? Direct them back to your product. The next day, email 2, more content, continuing to build more trust, more value. You know, they're getting to know you, you're teaching them, you're educating them, and then you're redirecting them back to, you know, the product. Email 3, the same thing. And then you're going to start to see as you're pushing people through this funnel and people are going through this content-based email follow-up series, you're going to start to see 1 sale come through, 2 sales come through, 3 sales come through, and you're just going to keep building up that momentum to the point where you're making a sale a day. So the idea is, you know, once all your funnel is set up, you're just trying to push as much traffic through that squeeze page as possible. Now you can set up all of this in a software called ClickFunnels. I have a link below here so that you can get access to that. It's a 14-day free trial. So if you want to learn how to set this all up, they do a great job by teaching you how to do all of that. So that's the first strategy. So let's go ahead and jump into the second strategy. All right, so strategy number 2 is basically providing services for people. There's a huge demand for services, and people are making a killing on websites like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com, specifically in the video market, because a lot of people don't know how to create videos, or they don't have a desire to create videos. But in this day and age, with all the different softwares that are out there, they're so easy to create, and you barely can have to do anything but just kind of push a couple letters on your computer, right? So you could actually create services like a video promotional service on Fiverr or Upwork. And I mean, these people are charging, I've seen people charge like $100 for like a minute of a promotional video, and sometimes even more depending on, you know, like what they're offering and stuff like that. But what I wanted to show you guys today is there's different like video softwares that basically do all the stuff for you. This is one site called Video Maker FX, and basically, you know, it basically has pre-made videos that are engaging, that have music, that have all the animations. There's no monthly cost or anything like that, and they make these cool little videos, and all you really have to do is just type in the information from the person that you're taking the order from. So you can like fulfill the service and like do a video ad for their business or whatever that, you know, something like that. And then you can actually charge them to create these videos. So I'm going to show you just a quick little clip of like some of these videos that you could just, you know, basically they have the videos there and all you do is just edit the text. So let's watch one quick one. Anna loves traveling, but she's unhappy, right? She wants to travel, but she's having trouble booking a flight. Unfortunately, flights cost too high. The flights are too high. She's unsure what best places to go, and she doesn't have time to search until she discovered whoever the company is, right? So then they put their company name and logo, blah, 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 right? They even have these whiteboard videos, and all you would be doing is just typing in whatever the message is, right? You can easily charge $100 to do like, you know, a minute of these things. And you can even produce like multiple versions for your client and say, look, I'll produce, you know, 3 different versions of, you know, this ad for you for $100, whatever the case may be. And they're feeling that they're getting a ton of value, but all you're doing is, you know, just typing in some of this information. Here's another website called Easy Magic Video. And this one was pretty cool because it has a human spokesperson, right? So what this site does is it basically takes humans. They actually have like these people are professional actors and actresses, and these people have recorded thousands of pre-recorded like texts and scripts and everything like that. So what you do is basically step 1 is you would select the person that you want to like do the video. And Todd Gross is, you know, one of the people behind this product. You guys probably heard of him. And then you would basically build your script in here. And when I say they have thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of scripts, from, you know, like the internet marketing niche to just even local scripts for if you wanted to build a video for a local plumber or a local restaurant or a local barbershop, something like that. And then you would build their script. So like these people have already pre-recorded all of these messages. And like I said, they have thousands of them. So you just build the messages in there. You can change the background. You can add music. And then you could add like an outro message on there too. And then you would basically render it. And then you have a professional human like actually speaking the whole video, a professional spokesperson. Like this is just crazy, the things that you can do with just a couple clicks of your mouse and produce these high quality videos for clients and even for yourself. And you can charge money for it. And this is just kind of give you an example of the different actors and actresses and like the scripts and everything that they say. So you just build your own videos. So it's like pretty crazy. So anyways, I'll have a link for both of these video softwares in the description below if you guys want to check them out. Right now, they are giving a $15 discount off this Easy Magic Video software. And they're really inexpensive for what you're getting. So again, guys, 2 ways you can make money. $300 per day is to create a sales funnel, selling higher ticket products. And then actually just creating a service specifically in like creating video ads and promotions for people on the internet. It's a huge demand right now for video marketing. So you just got to get busy. If there's anything I can do to help, please contact me. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about these 2 methods. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you did. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.